Hello world, welcome to animaxuk.tv. Today is our episode number 3. We are going to show how to install Adobe Master Collection CS 5.5. If you install Adobe Master Collection, then in there you are getting Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, Adobe whatever, means full Adobe collection you are installing. But today our main focus on Adobe After Effects actually. So it's better if I show not individually Adobe After Effects. If I show you how to install this full collection, then it's better. With After Effects you need some third-party software. Yeah, maybe you can ask, without this third-party software I can't make something is better. I will say yeah, definitely you can, because Adobe is really they are more or less independent. So you can actually, if you have very good knowledge about Adobe full creative suite, then you can do many things, even whatever you can do everything. But for make your workflow is more easier and quicker, maybe it's better to use some third-party plugin like Optical Flare. And Optical Flare is really very good. We will install it, how it work, even I will show you as much I can, because our time is limit. And I will show about Red Giant Trapcode. It's a very nice one plugin as well. And Element 3D from Video Copilot. Element 3D is really very nice. In actually Adobe After Effects is a 2D software, and if you install 3D element, in this case you can do many things. In completely you are getting the 3D view and perspective, everything. You can do many things here. First, today I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Master Collection CS 5.5, and after that we are going to install Optical Flare and Red Giant Trapcode. Okay, dear learner, then just quickly we are going to jump on our desktop and we will see how to install Adobe Master Collection CS 5.5. learn.animaxuk.net. Actually learn.animaxuk.net. If any episode you miss, then you can see this episode in learn.animaxuk.net. There in member area, if you see here in member area, then if you go in member area, then you will get our all the episode will be recorded here, stored on member area. Just you need to create a membership. It's completely free. I have already, it is in my hard drive, Adobe Master Collection. You can see here Adobe Master Collection CS 5.5 that I said. I will show how to install Adobe Master Collection CS 5.5. It's here, and simply I am opening, and I can see CS Master Collection and open, and our setup file. We need to double click on setup, means it's a setup manager actually. Then just is a here is important things is we will select from this drop down menu. If we click, then we can see in drop down. But if you are from somewhere like North American or some other nationality, then it's a different matter. But for as usual use, definitely it is English International. You should select here and then accept. If you click on accept, then he is asking in the serial number. I will say for your case you can download the trial version. There I have your two option, means they are saying provide a serial number, and here saying install the product as a trial. I will say okay, for as a trial you can select. If you are installing as a trial, then you can do, you need to tick mark on here on this radio button, install the product as a trial. Then select language, again English International again. But if you have serial number, then you should put the serial number here. But if not, then for trial is fine. For 30 days you will get. Then English International, again we select and next. Then there is the matter you see here, means from Adobe Flash to Adobe Premiere. in between these two software they have a lot of type of things. Means you will get Adobe Acrobat Reader, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign. Everything is here in this package actually. So which one you don't need, just you see all are the in check mark. I go in zoom, all are in tick mark here. Suppose if you don't need any of them, just you will click here, then it will be unchecked, means it's not gonna install. But if you need all of them, then you will check all of them. But if you don't need any of them, then just you can uncheck. Then here you can see your program location, means where this program are going to set up. He prefer to set up in C drive, because C is the master drive in our computer. And but for any reason, if you don't have enough space in C drive, then you can install in highest D drive. C is master and D is slave, so it do work. But sometimes really it not do work as well in some kinds of vital big software. They are not doing work in D drive. Definitely you should use C drive. They are requiring, not saying anywhere, not written by written, but in my practical experience, yeah, I got a lot of trouble because of I installed it in other drive. Even I install in D drive, after that some software didn't work. So I will prefer, definitely it's better if you have space in your C drive. I think have, definitely, because if you are a designer, if you become a designer, then definitely you should get a computer that is minimum standard. I'm not gonna change this path because it's very good to install. Then okay, just you click on install and you say yes. It's preparing to install. You can see on our desktop. I said today we will discuss about purpose of Adobe After Effects. With Adobe After Effects, how many things we can do. First, I am saying it's a composition software. You can do the composition, and second, I'm saying you can do motion graphics, you can do infographics, you can do VFX, you can do color correction, color grading, advanced level color correction. You can do with Adobe After Effects, and even you can do work with graphic design as well. Not only that, I'm just saying it's a very common things that I'm mentioning here. But actually with that you can do whatever you need, but not infinitive. Everything's have a limit, not unlimited. Anything is not here or anywhere have limit, but it is like, even it's maybe this if I say that, it will be like a funny matter. Even if you can do little bit small type of any editing, if you want to do, it's possible to do with Adobe After Effects. Yeah, because of that Adobe have Premiere. Premiere is very good for editing as well. But if you want, okay, 30-second one television commercial, I have not much short, I will do it with Adobe After Effects. Yeah, you can do it. And the matter is, I don't know, really I'm confused when I'm going editing or I'm getting output video from any editing software or from anywhere, any other software. This quality, I'm not happy with that. Really, that amount of happy I am with Adobe After Effects. I'm really happy with Adobe After Effects, their output quality. But yeah, if it's any movie or serial you're making for television, in this case definitely I will not say you, even I will not advise you should make a project in Adobe After Effects. Then you're it's not it's possible actually. But for small project, even you can do video editing as well. That means just I explain how many purposes you can use Adobe After Effects. Yeah, okay. Dear learner, I will show the some of our example, means about motion graphics, about VFX, about color correction, even about some design. Just I'm going to jump on my desktop, and about 2 minute remaining time is 2 minutes 95, about 1 minute. Yeah, more or less is Getting ready. Actually, after this installation, straight away we are going to install. We will show how to install the optical flare and red giant trapcode. Sorry, just now I have 1 minute 99% is complete. Yeah, he's saying following. Yeah, this type of problem you can face. You see, please close all of the following application to continue. He's saying in Google Chrome, if Google Chrome is run, in this case he will not finish it. So just simply from Google Chrome here, open it and you close Google Chrome, and then one more time you say continue, then it will be fine. You say total time remaining less than a minute. Yeah, okay, done. Means how many software you wanted to install, this all of them are here now, and just you click in done and your installation process are complete. We will install this two third-party plugin, and these two third-party plugin are really very good, and these two plugin will help you a lot for make your project very faster, for make very nice and some good effect that I'm going to show you now how to install optical flare and Trapcode. Optical flare and Trapcode, I'm going to install first optical flare. I'm jump on my desktop, and here you can see the optical flare. Just click on optical flare. It is actually stored in my hard drive, but if in your case you have to download it, here I have for both Mac and Windows. Now I'm installing in Windows. If you want to install in Windows, then you have to open the folder, and here you can see they are saying for 32-bit and for 64-bit both you can use the plugin. So now I'm using the 64-bit. I hope now everyone are using 64-bit, I think. Okay, 64-bit, open, and after that you come in your starter bar. Here you type Adobe After Effects. Yeah, this come in first place. You see the Adobe After Effects CS 5.5. Just I will take it in desktop. How I will take it? Right button click from your mouse and send to desktop. Means this icon I am taking on desktop, you see here. And then first you are opening this optical flare, this all the full folder. Then means like this appearance you will get. Then after that you click on Adobe After Effects logo, then right button and properties, then you go in open file location, means this file or where is installed. Then from there you will go in plugins, and in plugins make one new folder. But before that I want to show you one things, that is if you open Adobe After Effects, then what is the present time, means when Adobe After Effects have no any third-party plugin. In this time what happened? Now my Adobe After Effects are opening. Here if I take a new project class 1 and it is HTTP. Okay, we will discuss about that later. Simply if I go in effect, you see when we will install optical flare, in this time we can see in our drop down this menu will come other one option, that will be, that's called video copilot. Means optical flare come from video copilot as well. You can see it here, but now here have no any this type of things. I'm gonna close my software. Why? Because before install definitely you should close your software. Okay, don't save, then folder, and then you make it optical flare. Just simply I'm taking from here, then no risk to okay, optical flares. Your folder name will be optical flare. Then open it and all of them copy and paste. Continue. That means your optical flare installation is complete. How you will understand really it is okay or not, and then you will check. Just simply open your software, means Adobe After Effects. Then now if you make a new project, continue trial, skip, close, enter command N. Okay, let's say whatever, command Y, and if I come in effect, then you see here video copilot and optical flare. If you click on optical flare, straight away you are getting one nice effect. Can you imagine? Means if you want to make it in manually, then maybe you need several hours, but within one click you can make this type of some very good effect that is really useful for everyone. Like here you see, if I want to change it, then just simply I did it and my effect are changed. And then if you want to make it animation even, you can do it very nicely, this animation. There have this keyframe option and everything. I will show in our all the classes. So when it will means when we will follow our the course curriculum, then we can see, means our course curriculum you can get in learn.animaxuk.net. Anyway, this is the main job of the optical flare. We know how to install the optical flare, and now we will see how to install the red giant Trapcode. For install red giant Trapcode, just simply, but definitely for any type of third-party plugin installation, before that we will definitely close our project, and we close our Adobe After Effects software, and I am getting back in my folder. I can see here red giant Trapcode, and here double click, and I can see here again 64-bit and 32-bit. Definitely 64-bit. What we are installing, we are now installing Trapcode Suite 11.0.2 64-bit version. Okay, double click here and yes, then your installation process will start here. It not take much time. Okay, then next. Yes, next. Here he is asking the serial number. We have it. I got this, all of them. Okay, I put about Trapcode horizon, then I put this serial number and submit. Okay, then you see here he got the serial number, and from here I am taking number 2. Here is 9 type of things are here, and again I am saying next. Sorry, I need to get back. Just number 2 is already assigned here. Then number 3 means about, like, number 3 is what actually it is Trapcode sound key, means in Trapcode group sound key, this one, and submit. Okay, then sound key already get this key, and Trapcode lux, and copy it and paste it and submit. Okay, and this one copy and paste it, submit. Okay, and next one Trapcode particular, means for create any particle or things, copy and simply paste here, submit. Okay, then from here we are copy, paste, submit. Okay, Then we have only two. Copy, paste, submit. Okay, last one, shine, Trapcode shine. Just copy and gonna paste and submit. This is the complete our list. You see all of them have get this serial number. Next, and now he is saying this is very interesting matter on Trapcode, that is Trapcode do work with Adobe After Effects and with Premiere as well. This is really very interesting matter. I like it. Anyway, now we are gonna using with Adobe After Effects CS 5.5, so I make the check mark here. You see in very close, and you can, if you want to use Premiere, then you can do it. We have done Premiere install as well, so why not? You can tick mark here Premiere Pro CS 5.5, and then you can click on next button and install. Then in very short time you can it will be finished our installation. Yeah, it's done, and just you need to click on finish button, finish. Then it will go inside. No need actually, so let's leave it. Okay, that's done. If you now you open your Adobe After Effects, in trial, skip now. Okay, and command Control N for PC, then you will get a new project. Okay, and Control Y, one solid layer, and come in effect. Then you can see here Video Copilot Optical Flare, and here is Trapcode. Before this Trapcode wasn't here. Here under Trapcode have 3D stroke and have foam, have lux, have particular, shine, and sound key, whatever. Anyway, just if you click on for check it, let's say particular, allow to access. Okay, and then you come here, you see the particle. Now with this particle, whatever you want, any type of nice animation you can make with this. It's a basic things actually. You can change this all of the parameter whatever you want, and what type of effect you want to create, you can do it with that. And this is the particular. If you want, let's say we are closing this layer and I need a just text, let's say animaxuk.tv. and then after you create this text, I want to learn.animaxuk.net. okay, okay, we have this just simple this two layer, and if I go in effect and Trapcode, and from here I want to select shine, you see that's a very nice one, glow effect. You can make this type of animation, this type of means glow base effect. And if you say, oh, wow, because of that my text is gone, okay, because of that have a lot of nice things. Now you see your text and your effect in the same time, but this color are not matching. Then how you can do? Actually we have no enough time, but quickly just some solution. It is if like, or you can use some ramp or something. Later we will show how you can manage that. Means now you see your text and things are how nice in very quickly. So I said, what if you want to do something in manually, you can. Adobe is that amount of powerful, their software, especially all of them, but especially I think Adobe After Effects can create any type of effects. So I will say you can do it, but if you have this third-party software, really it's very very good. Now just quickly I will show you some of VFX example, or some kinds of work that we have done with Adobe After Effects. This one, let's say this one is completely, this VFX completely made by just with Adobe After Effects. It's a funny, okay, but this type of things we are watching in film, we can make it with Adobe After Effects. And other, if you want to see a lot of graphical work, infographics, then like one example here, we have done some television commercial on some infographics as well.
ফাস্ট মুভ শিপিং, কার্গো ও শিপিং জগতের এক বিশ্বস্ত নাম। আমাদের সার্ভিস এয়ার কার্গো ফ্রম £2.50p, শিপ কার্গো ফ্রম £1.50p, কমার্শিয়াল কার্গো, প্যারিসেবল কার্গো। এছাড়াও আরও আছে এক্সপোর্ট, ইম্পোর্ট অ্যান্ড কাস্টম ক্লিয়ারেন্স। ফাস্ট মুভ শিপিং। ফর মোর ইনফো ভিজিট আওয়ার ওয়েবসাইট fastmoveshipping.com। ফাস্ট মুভ শিপিং, কার্গো ও শিপিং জগতের এক বিশ্বস্ত নাম। আমাদের সার্ভিস এয়ার কার্গো ফ্রম £2.50p, শিপ কার্গো।
And I say you can do even some editing as well. Just I will show you very quickly how you can do. Even I will right now I will show you one picture editing. Means how you can edit a picture. That is actually Photoshop special for the photo editing, but Adobe After Effects is completely, from my point of view, really it's very powerful one software. So just quickly I will show you in my project. I'm going to take let's say this is I'm stop this project, these things I'm going to stop it, and quickly I'm going to take my any of them one photo. Let's say this one. This is one picture. Just I'm going to edit it. That I said, if you want to do any graphics, then please this graphics definitely, if it is RGB, means you are going to use in RGB format, then it's okay. We had a photo shoot in last week. This model, she's really very good on her performance. Let's say I want to show you, I will make the all picture are black and white, just some sort of place I want to make it color. Then what will I do? Let's say I'm using this effect. It's now completely black and white, is it? Yeah. Then if I go a little bit closer and just I cut off the leaf, this leaf I want, it has to be means normal color. Then just I'm cutting it. Sorry. And that's called masking. Definitely don't worry, I will show all of them in our one by one. This class will be go ahead, but you know, today it will be not maybe very perfect because we are hurry. We need to do everything according in our time. Then you see your full this picture are white and black and white, but your leaf are colorful. Means actually this job people are doing with Photoshop. This duty is for Photoshop, but in Adobe After Effects you can do it. Like let's say logo design, you want to make a nice logo design, even you can do this logo design with Adobe After Effects. If you use it, like let's say you will even you can send this, you can print this logo as well, but not big, because it's not good for big, because it RGB always is supporting RGB. But you can convert it, but it's not gonna very good quality as much giving this good output Adobe Illustrator. It's not that amount of good for that. But if you want to use it for digital purpose, like let's say for your website, for any animation purposes, it will be all the time using in television, then it is fine enough. Well, if you want in printing matter, if you want to print on business, if you want to print a business card, yeah, it's fine, then you can use it. It is very good output you can get from there. Okay, next class or in during our we have actually if I go in our course curriculum, that then I can see here, if I go in learn.animaxuk.net, here is actually our course curriculum. I am going in curriculum, then here is Adobe After Effects, you can see, and if I open the course curriculum, then I can see first was purpose of Adobe After Effects and install Adobe After Effects. Okay, install we have done already, install Adobe After Effects, and purpose of Adobe After Effects I explain a little bit, as much we can. We explained it about it, but day by day we will know about it more and more. And here is a special discussion about optical flare and Trapcode element 3D. Okay, today we can't, so I apologize for that about element 3D, but in next class definitely we are going to show how to install it, and but already we did these things. Then according to our course curriculum, you see we have number 1 2 we have 31 class. During this time I will explain this about Adobe After Effects. With each class I will say something how you can do some extraordinary things, and after that if you do enough practice and things, then really you will get success in there, and I hope you will do that and you will get your success. So dear viewer, many thanks to stay with us, and for tonight I'm saying bye to everyone. Thanks, and you learn from learn.animaxuk.net and watch our online TV www.animaxuk.tv.